Hello, today you are looking at a Clausen model C250A 10-inch horizontal bandsaw brought to you by Lanco. Dimensions of this unit: 73 inches long by 42 inches wide by 48 inches high. This has an auto cycle, start-stop for the saw blade, power head raise and lower controls, a coolant pump, manual and auto, roller feed jog, forward and reverse controls. This unit is currently wired at 460 volt, 2 horsepower, and it weighs roughly 1,100 pounds. This unit has been tested, checked out, it's ready to go at Lanco. Give us a call if you're interested, 888-248-8500, or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.